Welcome to Simplified, where we make learning fun and accessible with easy-to-understand stories, vlogs, and explanations. In today's digital age, where our online activities are constantly tracked and monitored, the desire for privacy and anonymity has become increasingly important. Two popular tools that can help you achieve this are TOR and VPNs. While both can obscure your online identity, they work in fundamentally different ways. TOR, short for the Onion Router, is a free and open-source software application that enables anonymous communication over the internet. It works by routing your internet traffic through a network of volunteer-operated servers scattered around the globe. This multi-layered encryption process, often referred to as onion routing, makes it extremely difficult for anyone to track your online activities. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through a server operated by a VPN provider. This masks your IP address and can help you bypass geo-restrictions. However, unlike TOR, a VPN typically routes your traffic through a single server, making it less anonymous. Network structure. TOR uses a decentralized network of volunteer-operated servers, while VPNs rely on a centralized network of servers operated by a VPN provider. Level of anonymity. TOR offers a higher level of anonymity by obscuring your IP address and routing your traffic through multiple layers of encryption. VPNs, while providing some anonymity, are less effective at hiding your identity, especially when used with a less reputable provider. Speed and performance. TOR can be slower than a VPN, especially for bandwidth-intensive activities like streaming or downloading large files. VPNs, on the other hand, can offer faster speeds and better performance, especially when connected to a server closer to your physical location. Purpose. TOR is primarily designed for anonymity and privacy, while VPNs are often used to bypass geo-restrictions, secure public Wi-Fi connections, and protect sensitive data. Launch the TOR browser. After installation, find the TOR browser icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click on it to launch the browser. Connecting to the TOR network. The first time you launch the TOR browser, it will connect to the TOR network. This process may take a few minutes. Browsing anonymously. Once connected, you can start browsing the web anonymously. The TOR browser will route your traffic through a series of servers, making it difficult to track your online activity. You can see here, the IP address and location is changed. Default search engine. The default search engine in Tor browser is often DuckDuckGo, a privacy-focused search engine. While it's not Google, DuckDuckGo provides accurate search results without tracking your queries. Thanks for watching. Please leave your comments.